Kshayanti Te Jnanam Jnaninaha Tattvadarshinaha. Only in the service industry we can do such a type of service which was told by Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. Pariprashnena Sevaya. You have to repeatedly ask how I am to serve, how I am to serve, how I am to serve. One small incident I will tell you which happened in my life as a banker. Those days I was in Orissa. When I was really doing some banking and I was really attending office. That was somewhere 10 years, 12 years back, 1985. When I was in Bhubaneswar, one old man used to come always to the bank. He used to speak only Oriya. I do not know Oriya also. Somehow I liked a lot and I used to help him some small helps like filling up the withdrawal form or filling up the draft or whatever. Or he gives money, I used to help him. That's all, nothing more than that. Some 10 days I went on leave. 10-15 days I was on leave. Every day when he comes to the bank, he will inquire whether I am there and he will go back. He will not transact business in the bank. He will not transact that. Whether he wanted money or somehow he developed a lot of confidence in me. I don't know how. After 15 days when I came, he literally came in tears. For the past 15 days, I was coming every day here and you were not there. So what I thought, I said, my colleagues are there, they could have helped you, you could have approached them. Not for banking transaction. I just wanted to come here to see you. He developed a kind of affection and that day I came to know, through service you can win over friends also. You can win over a lot of faith in the system. Banking service gives a very unique opportunity basically for people to win over friendship, companionship. And you can see God in that, basically compassion and love. When we do service with that, we can see God in our own customers and they will also be in a position to see God in us. Whereby not only you develop business, but a new kind of relationship comes. Some 4 or 5 years back when I had visited Bhubaneswar on some other purpose, I had gone to see him. He has become old and he was laid up. He does this ironing business. I had just gone to see him in his house. He said, nowadays I don't go to bank. They are very rough. So my son is a rough fellow, so I sent him. That day, when he saw me, he was literally in tears. In fact, we were not born in the same family or something like that. I hugged him and I came. I do not know whether he is alive now or not. Still today also I keep this in my mind, memory. You win over people like anything. It's such a wonderful service, this banking service. That is why they said, Sahaviryam Karavavakai. Let us all join together to work for a common objective, they said. Keep all these things in mind, what little I have said. Just I wanted to share my experience. Normally I don't give a very strict spiritual discourse. There is no need of Bhagavad Gita and all today. In Bhagavad Gita also Krishna says all the things and finally he says, Mam Ekam Charanam Vrajaha. He would not have said those words if Arjuna was capable of performing the other things. He knew very well Arjuna cannot do any of those things. That is why finally he said, totally surrender to myself. You need not do anything, I will take care of you. So basically keep all this. You are expected to live a total life. And you are not expected to live anything else. Live a life of totality. Don't aim for perfection. Incidentally, if perfection comes, let it remain as a part of system. But don't think ultimately you are very perfect. You can never be perfect. Accept things for what they are. Be lovable and compassionate. If you cannot serve the society, at least take care of your family. That is the best service you can do. Please do not spoil the creativity and imaginity inside your children. Please do not kill it. Please try to build that up. Sometimes I like some schools like this Rishi Public School and all. Up to 5th class or 6th class, no exams, nothing. Yes, sir. Is it not? I have seen first standard students carrying so much books, some hundreds of books, and that kid is not able to walk. Have you understood? Then after about 20 years, 25 years, he is married just now. Spondylitis, disc problem. Because the disc problem has come now, because we were shouldering so many books then. That is what I am forced to think. Don't dump your kids with knowledge. They need not become very big and all. Don't have too much of aspirations. I want to send my son to America, Africa, London, Antarctica. If he is able to go, all right. Okay, then when he comes back, he will come back with something else. You must be prepared to accept. Dad, meet my wife, Philomena. Like that you will say. Meet my daughter, Stella. ఏమిరా కట్నం ఎట్లా తీసుకోవాలని మనకి ఇమాజినేషన్ ఉంది. మీరు అక్కడ వెళ్ళి అలా స్టెల్లా పిలోపిల్ అంటే ఇది ఇట్లా కాదు అంటే యూ వాంట్ అమెరికా టు గివ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్, అమెరికా విల్ గివ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ప్లస్ డాటర్ ఇన్ లా. ప్లీజ్ అక్సెప్ట్. డోంట్ బి ఎ హిపోక్రైట్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ అక్సెప్టింగ్, యూ వాంట్ ద చైల్డ్ ఓన్లీ టు బి ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ ఇన్ అమెరికా, దే కెనాట్ గివ్ డాటర్ ఇన్ లా. లెట్ దెమ్ గివ్. అక్సెప్ట్ దట్ ఆల్సో గ్రేస్ఫుల్లీ. వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు మంచిదమ్మా, మేము మంచి గుడ్. In that way you can also go one trip to America. Why you are spoiling your relationship. Basically enjoy life. But keep always love and compassion. Never hate people. Never feel jealous. Come out of all those things. Have compassion. And I want you to have a very happy, no doubt I am meeting you in this new year, 1998, for the first time in this assembly. So, be happy. God is always there with you. Don't unnecessarily complicate life in the name of religion. This is my message. Thank you very much. Lakshmi in Prasamma Paripurna Kadaksha Siddhirastu. God should bless you all.